Hello all and welcome to Ravi's IT World. In the previous video, we had discussed some basics about Linux Unix. Along with that, we had discussed about Linux file distributions, Linux terminal, and also we had learned about console. In this video, we are going to discuss about Linux command structure. For giving a command to a Linux system, you should type in a shell the command's name, its options and arguments if required. For example, here I am giving a command ping space -c space 1 space 8.8.8.8. As you can observe here, ping command is used for testing the network connectivity to a destination host. You can notice that we have an active connection to 8.8.8.8, which is a public DNS server from Google. This is how we check that the internet is working. If you have any issue with your internet connection, to continue with this example, you can ping your loopback interface IP address, which is 127.0.0.1. Here I am giving ping space -c space 1 space 127.0.0.1. It will work even though you don't have an active internet connection. Here the name of the command which I have given is ping. C is one of the command's options and 1 is the options value and IP address, which was 127.0.0.1, is the command argument. It's very important to know that all options are preceded by an hyphen, or we can call it as a minus sign. Note that the command name, its options and arguments are always separated by one or more white spaces. In fact, the shell knows that the command name ends where it sees the first white space. In Linux, there are commands that require some options or arguments and return an error if they are run without arguments. And there are other commands that do not necessarily require options or arguments. For example, if I ran the ping command again, this time without any option or argument, I will get an error like destination address required. So it's mandatory to specify an argument, but if we take another command, say for example I am taking a command called ls. Here you can observe this. We will see that we can run it both with and without options or arguments. This ls is probably the most used Linux commands. Its name comes from list and it displays or lists information about the file system. In this example, the ls command has displayed the contents of the current working directory. Now let's run it with an option and the argument ls space -l space /etc/. The -l which I had added is to use long listing format, and etc which I had used is the argument that indicates what directory to list. Using the options, we can change the command's behavior. Note that some options can be written using a hyphen or a minus and a single character such as -l or double hyphens and an entire word. As you can observe, I am giving ls space -all. As you can observe here, all the files and directories which are present in our Ubuntu are listed below, as well as ls-a is also similar. The both ls-all and ls space -a are similar. This option -a or -all which will display the hidden files and directories. We can also use more options for this. As here I am using ls space -l space -all space hyphen h space slash var and slash. You can see in this example I am using both short and long options. And also it's common to group all the short options like this: ls space hyphen space lh space hyphen all space slash var slash. And here we will end this video by looking into another example. Here I am giving the command df. This df command displays information about the file system and the disk space usage. Again, I am giving here options dh space hyphen h. Df space hyphen h. And along with this, I am using df space hyphen h space hyphen I. As you can see, I am using all the short options. Along with this, I can use long options also, and I can put all the short options together: df space hyphen h I space hyphen all. As you can observe, I had used both long and short options all together. If you are new to Linux Unix, it is very important to understand the Linux command structure. So, after watching this video, you should practice by yourself by entering the commands and use the short and long options as well. And that's it for today. We will meet with another video. Thank you.